Hi chicas, welcome back to our makeup channel. Today I have a very interesting video. Today I am showing you my routine that never fails to amaze me, because honestly it does leave my skin feeling like baby soft. Like if you suffer from like a lot of texture on your skin and all that, and what I mean by texture, like know the difference, because I'm not talking about like pores and all that. I'm talking about like when you feel your skin, you feel like bumps on your skin, like little granitos that like irritate you as hell, or like when you put your foundation on and like the little granitos come out. I'm talking about that. Today I'll be showing you how I basically get rid of that, and this honestly, this routine never fails me. It honestly leaves my skin feeling so freaking soft. Now the second portion of this video is pre-filmed, that's why I have different nails on. Yes, I got them pink. They are super short. I'm not used to having short nails like this. It's still kind of like, what did I do? Before I go any further into the video, I want to give a shout out to Mariela Uribe Sanchez. Thank you so much for leaving your comment. Excuse PACO, he's excited as well. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I get super soft, non-texturized skin, then just keep on watching. Alright chicas, so the first thing is taking a makeup remover, any remover, dirt remover, any kind of remover you have. Here I'm using the micellar water, so I feel like it's a really good like product to use after you wash your face, because it just removes the leftover dirt. But you could use a wipey or whatever you have. Here I'm just letting my face dry. Always let it dry before continuing on to the next step. Next I'm going to be taking this mask. It is a Socket Bright mask. I love this mask. It is kind of expensive. I will put the price down below. You do not have to purchase this mask, girls. This is just the step where you take whatever mask you love and just put it on your face, because it is time for you to treat yourself, pamper yourself. And remember to do this whole routine when you do have time, not when you're like running late or anything like that. You don't want that, because masks like this do tend to stay on the face for 25 minutes or so. So here you just saw I made like stupid faces, but that is literally how you crimple up the edges so you can remove the mask. So here I just did a close-up so you guys can see what my skin looks like afterwards. I don't know, it just makes skin look so good. I love this mask. As you can see, my face does have discoloration. I do have redness and also like other spots that are like darker, but it's fine as long as it makes your face look really bright. Here I'm taking this mask from DAISO. If you guys don't know about this store, I don't know if it's exclusive to California. I doubt it. I feel like they have DAISOs everywhere. But this store is just basically like a dollar store at the mall, and they have a lot of masks for $1. I'm pretty sure they have them at the dollar store as well. I showed you guys, it is actually $1. A lot of people do not believe me. I feel like these masks are okay for 10 to 15 minutes. I love getting the cucumber ones because I feel like they just put a lot of moisture back into your face, and it's only $1, chicas. As you can see, this is the leftover product. I do put it on my neck just so that nothing goes to waste, and all my dollar was spent really good. Obviously I'm gonna wait 10 to 15 minutes. Putting this mask on honestly does help a lot, because the next step is going to be shaving off my face, and I just feel like it just makes it super soft, ready for the next step. Because I do sometimes get a little irritated if I don't do this step, and it's because I just really have to like put moisture in my face so that my skin doesn't get irritated when I shave it. So here I'm just rubbing it until it's dry. Then I'm going to be taking this milk cleanser by CAUDALIE. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm sorry. I'm just using it to apply it all over my face. It is a makeup remover, but I just like using it as a wash because essentially it's the same thing. Here I'm pretending to shave off my face, but I actually did shave it, okay? I just didn't want to do it on camera. Like, that's weird, you know? So here I am exfoliating with this product, which I will link down below, because out of all the products, highly encourage you to get this product. You will see, do you see that right there starting to form on my skin? That's actually dead skin that we all have. This product alone will leave your face feeling super freaking soft. So if you have not tried this product, what are you waiting for? It is the most gentle exfoliator ever, and you literally see the dead skin fall off your face right there and then. Like, it's fabulous. Then I'm going to be taking this MANDELIC serum. Now this is prescribed by my dermatologist, so I don't know how that works. I just really wanted to put it in here and I wouldn't want to leave any product out. So here you see how ghetto I am. I don't have no money to purchase this product right now, so I did end up cutting up the bottle of SPF cream that my dermatologist gave me, and honestly there's so much product left over inside, so I'm kind of thankful I have a little bit more time to save up to go buy it. Here I'm taking the BIOSSANCE, whatever. It is a serum. It is not a serum. It is an oil. This oil, holy Jesus Christ. I don't know what it does for my face, but honestly, it just leaves my face so moisture, so plump. I adore it, and especially on the days that you have nothing to do, just let it soak in your face the whole day and look at how healthy your face looks. As you guys can see, my face has imperfections, but it looks freaking nice and smooth here, and this is how your face is gonna be, girls. So just try to do everything that I told you here, and I'm guaranteeing you will have baby soft skin, trust me. Alright guys, so that was my routine. Tell me what you guys think. Please do it. Tell me if it worked for you or it didn't. I really want to know the results. I mean, like, I do this routine when I have a lot of time, when I'm not gonna work, and it usually lasts about a week and a half, and then I will have to redo it again because I start to feel again the dirtiness, the clump pores and all that. So I do it again, but really use this routine to pamper yourself and tell yourself that you love yourself and take care of your skin. That is mostly what I encourage you to do with this video. You don't have to use every product I use. Just try to come up with your products. But I do recommend a lot, like shaving your face. It really does work. Or I don't know if you guys get it waxed. Tell me if you guys get your face waxed. I have never gotten it waxed. I've gotten like my mustache area waxed, and honestly I didn't see a difference. Like, I still had my hairs after. Maybe it was a place I went, but shaving has really worked for my face. It, like, sometimes it does leave it irritated a little bit, so just be careful and gentle. That's why I use a very gentle wash for my face, and so I don't irritate it. And honestly, I don't look like a man. Hair don't grow that thick unless you're like really hairy, but I'm really hairy, and honestly my hair doesn't grow until 1 week later. So I don't know, it just depends, girls. Tell me what you guys think down below of this routine. Please try it out, test it out, tell me. I want to know everything, and I'll see you guys here in the next video. Bye.